Have you heard on the news lately about how temperatures are rising and breaking records? During 2000 and 2009, it has been recorded to be the hottest decades periods of Earth. Global warming is becoming a serious issue that needs to be acknowledged. If we don't bring awareness to this dilemma, it will dangerously get worse over time. Global warming has a lot of causes and effects with proven facts. The article is being the most affected part of the world by global warming. It all started with the fact that average temperatures in Alaska, Western Canada, and Eastern Russia have risen twice the global average. It is obvious that the coldest parts of the world will be most affected because it is bigger chances of glaciers melting. Glaciers and mountains, snows and rapidly melting, like such thing, like for example, polar bears, there's not a lot of ice on the glaciers and stuff like that, so they're having a hard time. Their fur is actually falling. If glaciers continue to melt at the rate our sea levels will dangerously rise, the world itself should want to come together and resolve the increasing serious issue. Like Texas, for example, I believe if we ever get flooded, I think over time we might get flooded because we're over the sea level. Like it's higher chance of getting sea level. However, that is not the handful of problems that we have. As much as there are problems, there should be double organizations for each issue, like for glaciers and sea water levels. Temperature is at a dangerous rate, increasing whether we decide to acknowledge it or not. Since the 1880s, the average temperature has risen by 1.4 Fahrenheit degrees. Carbon dioxide is also a dispersible of global warming. Humans are emitting more carbon dioxide and in the atmosphere faster than absorbing the rates of plants of the ocean, and plus we're cutting down a lot of trees, so that's like taking up more carbon dioxide, and it's giving less to the human people. So the more trees that we cut down, it affects us and the world too. We're doing a lot of concrete as well in this world, and that's really bad because that cuts down all the trees. Like I remember back, for example, out to Magnolia, there used to be a lot of trees, but now it's a little bit because of a lot of houses are getting built, and I think that kind of affects the global warming as well, because we cut down all our trees and it's giving less of carbon dioxide. I mean, global warming seems like a myth, but it's an issue that needs to be taken seriously, both our homes and our government. Studies show that the 2 decades of the 20th century have been the hottest in the last 400 years, according to climate studies. I mean, I feel like since I work in construction, I feel like each summer that I work in, it's getting hotter and hotter. So I think global warming has been affecting us really bad, and I think we should take it to our hands and fix that.